Brothers and sisters, namaste. Today I am talking about yourself, about myself, about our survival. We want to live on. Life is for those who want to live in. How to live in? These days we are concerned about the environment, climate change, warming. So let us understand what is the environment, what is the nature, what is the climate. You must have heard Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This slogan, Sanskrit slogan, originated from the land of Bharatvarsha. We call it India today. Means whole world is one family. But who is that whole world? You, me, yes, all human beings. But beyond that, all the creatures, all the plants and herbs, everything surrounding us, available on this earth, on the sky, in the ocean, in the space, in the planet, the galaxy, is our family. We exist because of each other. So, no social distance we are talking these days, but here, balancing between all these natural forces. All of us know that this physical body is made of 5 elements: earth, sky, water, fire, air. When you born, with your first cry, life is infused, you breathe. And when you say goodbye to this earth, you go. So from where? This air. Tons and tons of oxygen we are consuming whole of our life. God has gifted us. Similarly, water is the life. And our ancestors, our sages, who are great scientists, they decoded the secrets of this Mother Nature. And they bestowed divine status. The holy river Ganges, we call it Ganga and Yamuna in the Himalaya. 2 shrines, we call it Dham, are devoted for the worship of water, that is Ganges and Yamuna. Similarly, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, let there be light, let darkness will be removed. Sun. Think for a while. If sun is not there, what is going to by us? So, these days we perform yogas. So we offer our prayer, gratitude to the sun, Surya Namaskar. This earth in India, we call our land Mother India. So similarly, this land, we have bestowed a status of motherhood to this Mother Earth. Because she is giving us everything we need to live in. Let it be food. Let it be plenty of vegetable, plenty of fruits, plenty of spices, everything, whatever we need. But what we do? We kill animals, and millions of tons of meat we consume every day. Beyond that, some countries, in some of the areas of the world, people are eating poisonous species, insect. So your food, it makes a lot of difference. In India, our sages has bestowed divine status to all these natural resources. Let it be sun, let it be air, let it be water, let it be Mother Earth. Even we worship, offer our prayer to one people tree in India. It produces oxygen round the clock, 24 hours. Tulsi, medicinal herb. So, earth has given not only food, medicine, spices, many things we need. And our great sages wished that there should be balance between all those animals. That is very beautiful Sanskrit prayer. Om Dyo Shanti, Antariksha Shanti, Prithvi Shanti Rapah, Shanti Okhadaya, Shantir Vishwe Deva Shanti. They wished peace all over the planet, all over the sky, all over the earth, all over the water. Balance of everything to be nearer to the nature. We are drifting. Our great sages who were in fact scientists, they were very near to nature. They invented, decoded the secret of the nature, living in the forest. Even education was imparted, Gurukul Shiksha Pranali, in the forest. Om Swastina Indro Pridhashravaha Swastira Pukha. We have bestowed God and Goddess status to all these natural elements. We do not know where is heaven. We do not know where are our God and Goddess. But we certainly know that they are life-giving element to us. Because of them we are alive. So this is a heaven. It is up to you. Enjoy the fruits of the heaven. Celebrate its beauty. Beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Or make it hell. So this is up to you. How you want to live in. This heaven is now becoming a hell. So that's why we are talking about warming, climate change, our environment, pollution. What happened? You must have heard Himalayan tsunami. In 2013, in the month of June, entire Kedar Valley, we call it Mandakini Valley, the purest river of the world, was destroyed. Mainly because of it is attributed to man-made tragedy. 50,000 people died because we made thousands and thousands of dams. We cut the forest. Next, the greenery of hill area, and resulting in this bursting of the lake, flooding of the rivers, which washed away everything. So do you want such calamities to take shape in future? No, we have to be very careful. We have to be watchful. So what we should do? In old tradition, in our Indian tradition, we perform yajna. Whenever there is, death in the family, birth in the family, even during menses of the women, we perform a yajna for purification. Offer some grain, some butter to the fire, and wish well-being of all of us. Similarly, this is a heaven, let it remain a heaven. And for that, God has gifted us everything. You have also to gift something to the mankind, to yourself, to your children, their children, and the future generation. But you can do that. There is plastic ban all over the world. But still, we refrain to use it as on today. We are in forefront to pollute the air. I am having wealthy persons. There is no space even for parking of one car, but I have 5 and 6 cars. One small politician, we call it MLA, he is going with a fleet of exceeding even sometimes 100 cars, polluted the air, polluted water. In India, we offer Aarti every day to Mother Ganges, Yamuna. On the other hand, all waste, all chemicals is going into that river. We are urinating. Our waste is going. So there was a time, in ancient time, old age, if you cannot protect the nature, you will go to hell. So, our politicians, our administrators, and all of us are responsible to see that nobody is allowed to play with Mother Nature, because otherwise our survival, your survival, future generation survival will be in danger. Exploitation. All minerals, everything is available, and we are just exploiting them, not leaving anything for our future generation. Think about them. Think about your children.